Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and today we are going to start chapter 8, that is HCF and LCM, which is very important in future point of view also. Okay, so what at the starting HCF and LCM you have seen introduction in 5th standard. The same way we'll be seeing to find HCF and LCM of little larger numbers this year. That's only the difference. Okay, so we have seen chapter 7, we have completed chapter 7 and now we are on chapter 8, HCF and LCM. So first, for HCF and LCM we are only going to see its full form. Okay, and when actually we'll start HCF and LCM, then you will understand what is HCF and what is LCM. Okay, so the starting is HCF. Full form of HCF is highest common factor, and full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. So F for factor and M for multiple. This is very important. F for factor, M for multiple. Okay, so for you it was there in 5th standard, but I know you might not be remembering it. Okay, so first we'll see what are factors, what are multiples, and then we'll jump on HCF and LCM. Okay, so highest common factor, least common multiple, or lowest common multiple. So before starting all this main concept, we'll be studying little smaller concept. Okay, so F for factor, highest common factor. So because we are going to see HCF first, right? HCF first, and then before HCF we should know what is factors. Okay, because for HCF you have to deal with factors completely. So factors, when two or more natural numbers are multiplied together, the result is referred to as their product, and each of the numbers multiplied is called factor of this. Okay, so now let us see. When I write 5 multiplied by 6, 5 6 are 30. So I have multiplied two natural numbers here, 5 and 6. So after multiplying 5 with 6, I have got 30. So I say that 30 is product. So when you multiply two numbers, two natural numbers, the answer which you get is known as product. Okay, when you multiply any two numbers or any three numbers or any four numbers or more than that, and the answer which you get is known as product. Also, the numbers, the natural numbers which you have multiplied, now in this case they are known as factors of this number. Means 5 and 6 are known as factors. 5 and 6 are known as factors of. There are more factors. Okay, there are more factors, means more than 5 and 6. Okay, but here if you take this case, 5 and 6 are factors of 30. Okay, so now let us see if I want to find out in detail how to find out factors. So let us see one more 2-3 example. 2 3s are 6. So 6 is product of 2 and 3. Also 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So when I say 2, 3 and 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Okay, so 24 is product of 2, 3 and 4. Also 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. 2, 3, 4 are factors of 24. This we can say in other words also, that 2 divides 24 completely. 3 divides 24 completely. 4 divides 24 completely. Now what is the meaning of this? 2 divide, now I say 2 is factor. Why? Because 2 divides 24 completely. Let us see how. 2 12s are 24. Means what is coming here? 0 is coming here. So this shows that when remainder is 0 means 2 has divided 24 completely. When remainder comes 0. So we say that 2 is factor of 24. Same way 3 6 are, 3 8s are 24. 0 0. Remainder has come 0 means 3 has divided 24 completely. And 4 6 are, you know. Okay. So let us see only. 4 6 are 24. Means 2, 3 and 4 have divided 24 completely. So we say that 2, 3, 4 are factors of 24. Also now if you can see here, one more method to find out factors is, I want to find out factor of 30. Okay. So I will write f of 30. Now I want to find out. So I'll start with 1. 1's table. 1 how many is a 30? 1 30 is a 30. Okay. So I say that this 1 and 30 are factors of 30. Now let's see 2. 2 15s are 30. So now with 1 and 30, 2 and 15 are also factors. 2 and 15 are also factors of 30. 3. 3 10s are 30. So 3 and 10 are also factors of 30. Means in whichever tables it is coming, that table is factor of 30. Okay. Now 4. Does 30 comes? Is 30 divisible by 4? Check. No. 4 8s are 32. 4 7s are 28. So no chance. 5. Yes. 5 6 are 30. So 5 and 6 are factors of 30, right? 6 over, 7 over, 6 over. Okay, so I cannot take 6. 7, no chance. 8 also, 30 doesn't come. 9, it doesn't come. 10 it comes, but 10 is here. 10 3s are 30. So 10 also I can't take. 6 5s are 30. Then directly. So here we have stop. Then it chain is like this. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. So after 5 it comes in 6 table. After 6 it comes in 10, then 15, then 30. Okay. So we say that factor of 30 are 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, 6 10 15 and 30. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. So same way we can have example of small example we'll take now to understand 15. So start with 1. 1 15s are 15. 2's table it is not coming. 3's table yes. 3 5s are 15. 4, then you can see 1 3 5 came here directly. After 5 directly 15 comes in 15's table only. So the factors are 1 3 5 and 15. So 1 3 5 and 15 means 15 is divisible by all these 4 numbers, or 1 3 5 15. 15 comes in all these 4 tables. So whatever you want to understand with, you can understand. Okay. So now we will see next part. We have seen what are factors. Factors are the numbers which divide a particular number completely. Okay. So 1 is factor of every number. So if here you can see 30, 18, 45, 1 is there, 1 is there and 1 is there. So 1 is factor of every number. Then every number is a factor of itself. For example 30 is there. 18, here 18 is there. 45, here 45 is there. So every number is a factor of itself. 0 cannot be a factor of any number. So you cannot write 0. Why? Because 0 30 is a 0. So because any number multiplied with 0 gives 0 as the product, not these numbers. Any number multiplied with 0 gives 0, not these factors, not these natural numbers. Okay. So let us see prime numbers. A natural number that is divisible by only one, that is divisible only by 1 and itself is called a prime number. Okay, so let us see a natural number that is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. So 2 is divisible by 1 and itself, therefore 2 is a prime number. 3 is divisible by 1 and itself, therefore 3 is divisible by 3 is a prime number. 4 is divisible by 1 and itself as well as 2, so 4 is not a prime number. So let's see what exactly is the prime number. Now you can see prime number. So what is a prime number? Prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, for example, a number which is a prime number is a number which is only divisible by 1 or the number itself. For example, 2. 2 comes in table of 1 and 2 itself. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 after that, these 2 doesn't come in 3's table, 4's table, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't come in any 1's table. So we say that 2 is a prime number. Why? Because it comes only in 1's table and itself table. Or 2 is only divisible by 1 and the number itself, that is 2. Okay. Let's 3 is also like that. 3 comes in 1's table, 1 3s are 3 and 3 comes in 3's table, 3 1s are 3. After that 3 doesn't come in any other table, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we say that 3 is also a prime number. But let us see of 4. 4 comes in 1's table, 1 4s are 4, 2's table, 2 2s are 4. Then 3's table it is not coming, but 4's table it is coming. So 4 is coming in 1's table, 2's table and 4's table. So we say that 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. Okay. Why? Because it is coming in more than 2. Because 4 is divisible by more than 2 numbers. Here in this case you can see 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. In case of 4 it is 1, 2 and 4. So it is not allowed. Okay. So let's see other examples also. Let's see for 5. 5 comes in 1's table and 5's table. 5 doesn't come in 2, 3, 6, any other table. So 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 itself. 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 itself. So 5 is a prime number. 6, let us see. It comes in 1's table, 2's table, 3's table and 6's table. So 1, 2, 3, 4 not allowed because it is not a prime number. 7. It comes in 1's table, 7 comes in 7's table. It doesn't come in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or further any table. So we say that yes, that 7 is a prime number. So we have seen here different 2, 3 prime number. Yes, because they are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. 4 you can see 3 factors, 5 2 factors, so allowed. So 5 is a prime number. 6 has 4 factors, so it is not allowed. 6 is not a prime number. 7 has 1 and the number itself, so we say that 7 is a prime number. Okay, so what is the definition of prime number? Definition of prime number is that any particular number, if it is divisible by 1 or the number itself, it is known as prime number. Or in simple language, if suppose a number is given, it should come in 1's table or only in that number's table, then we say that it's a prime number. Okay, whatever you feel comfortable, you can go with the definition. Alright, so for today, you can just winding up. So every prime number is greater than 1. You can see here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. They are prime numbers. They are more greater than 1. 2 is smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. You can see here all prime numbers except 2 are odd numbers. So you can see here 2 is even prime number and rest of the numbers 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 all are odd number except 2. But 2 is also a prime number. Okay. So in next video we'll see rest of the things. Till that time, goodbye. Thank you so much and please take care.